In this video, I'll show you how to leave a Facebook group using the app. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. After that, tap the three horizontal lines icon in the corner of the screen to open the menu. From the menu, tap on Groups to see the groups you're part of. On the Groups page, tap your groups to view all the groups you have joined. Now select the group that you want to leave. Once the group page opens, look for the Joined button near the top of the screen and tap on it. A menu will appear with several options. Tap on Leave Group. Facebook may ask you to confirm your choice, so tap Leave Group again to confirm. After you do this, you will no longer be a member of that group and you will stop receiving posts or notifications from it. If you change your mind later, you can search for the group again and send a request to join it. That's how you can easily leave a Facebook group using the app. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful tutorials.